Wow, look at this cool farm we have to play with today. And lots of cool animals. Let's play with each animal and learn a little bit about them. Hi, horse. Come on out. Do you know what a horse says? What does a horse say? Neigh, neigh. You're right. Neigh. Can you say neigh? Neigh. Neigh, neigh. Good job. Oh, what a beautiful horse. Did you know that horses like hay? Yeah, hay. We've got a couple friends here to say hey to this horse. When you see a friend come on the screen, shout hey.
Hey!
Hey, it's Elmo. Hi, Elmo. He came to say hi to the horse.
Hi!
Here comes our next friend.
Hey!
Hey, it's Cocomelon. Hi, Cocomelon. Thanks for coming by.
Cocomelon!
Hey, it's Mickey. Hi, Mickey Mouse. He came to say hey.
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse.
No way. Here comes another friend. It's Bingo.
Hooray!
And our last friend, here he comes, flying in. Whoa, it's Baby Yoda. Hey! Wow, this horse has a lot of friends. Let's say hey to all of them. Hey, 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 hey. Wow, this horse really does like hay. Oh, wait a minute. Not that kind of hay like hello. Horses like to eat hay. Not like saying hello, hey. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. Let's say goodbye to all of our friends. Bye, friends. Thanks for coming by.
Goodbye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
That was so silly. Horses like to eat hay. Should we try to make some hay for this horse to eat? Okay. Come on over here. We're gonna make some hay. We're gonna do that by counting to 3 and spinning around really fast. Okay, get on your feet. Count with me. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Spin, 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 spin around, spin around. It's working. Ready and stop. Good job. Oh, look at this. We made some yummy hay for the horse to eat. Here you go, horse. Neigh, neigh. Go ahead, go back in your stall in your cozy home and eat your hay. Right here for you. And close the door. Who should we meet next? Maybe we should meet the cow. Hi, little cow. Come on out. Do you know what a cow says? What does a cow say? Moo. That's right. The cow says moo. Moo, moo. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Moo, moo. That's so silly. Good job. Oh, wait a minute. This cow looks a little sad. Cow doesn't look happy at all. The cow looks sad. Oh, I'm sad. Oh no. We gotta make this cow happy. How can we make this cow happy? I know. We can help this cow jump over the moon. Cows love jumping over the moon, don't they? If only it was nighttime. Right now it's during the day, and the moon's not out, the sun is out. But you know what? I bet we could draw the shape of a moon and have the cow jump over it. Will you help me find the shape of a moon? You will? Awesome! I've got this right here. Let's open it up. Oh, and here's some trash. Throw it away, throw it away. Don't give it to Mom and Dad. Go throw it away in the trash. Cool. Post-it notes, little pieces of paper, and a pen. What color is this pen? Is it purple? Yes, my purple pen. No, it's not a purple pen. It's a blue pen. Yeah, a blue pen. All right, I've got my sticky notes and my blue pen. Now I'm gonna draw some shapes, and I want you to tell me what they are. Our first shape has 4 sides. Is that the shape of the moon? No, that's a square. Okay, let's try again. Our next shape has 3 sides. Is that the shape of the moon? No, that's a triangle. What about this shape? It's got 4 sides, kind of like a square. Is that what the moon looks like? No, even the cow knew that's not the moon shape. That's a rectangle. What about, ooh, this one? Oh, I love this shape. Is that the shape of the moon? No, what shape is that? A heart. Aww, a heart. Let's keep trying. We're not gonna give up. What about that shape? Hey, that's a star. Not quite the moon, but I think we're getting closer. Let's see. What about this shape? What shape is that? It's a circle. You're right, a circle. Now, sometimes the moon does look like a circle when it's a full moon. We're almost there. Oh, is that the shape of a moon? Yes, we did it! Yay! Now that we have a crescent moon shape, let's put it up high in the sky and have the sad cow jump over it so he can be happy. Let's put the moon right up here. Perfect. All right, the cow's ready to jump over the moon. Stand up and jump with this cow. Are you standing? Ready, set, go! Jump! Good job. Do it again. Ready, set, go. Jump over the moon. Wow. You did a great job jumping. Moo moo. Aw, he's happy now. All right. Go back to your little home, little cow. Bye. Moo moo. Ooh, tuck you into your nice little blanket. All cozy, cozy. Let's say goodbye to our moon too. Goodbye, moon shape. Which animal should we say hi to next? Let's say hi to the chicken. Hi, little chicken. Come on out. Do you know what a chicken says? What does a chicken say? Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Isn't that so silly? Hi, chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Did you know that chickens like to lay eggs? Buck, buck, buck. Oh, look at him up there in his little nest. And next to the farmer. Oh, there's a bunch of eggs right there. What happens if we push this button? Let's try, Old MacDonald. Oh, silly little eggs, they're hatching. Chip, chip, chip. Chip, chip, chip. Chip, 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 chip. That's so cool. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, buck. The chicken's telling us he's got something for us to play with. Buck, buck. Buck, buck. Ta-da! Wow, thanks, chicken. What is it? Let's open the box and find out what's inside. Ready? Open. Open. Did you see that? Open. Oh! It's a bunch of little cute eggs. How many eggs are in this carton? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little eggs. Do you hear that? The eggs are gonna hatch. Everybody, really quiet. The eggs are about to hatch. Oh my gosh. Look at all these little baby chicks. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at them all. There's so many colors. Wow. Will you help me match each colored chick with its eggshell? You will? Thanks. All right, let's start with this one. This eggshell has a silly face on it, huh? Looks like a happy face. And the color of the face is blue. Which chick is blue? Here it is. This one is the color blue. Let's put your shell back on. You can take a nice little nap. Perfect. Okay, next up we have the color purple. Oh, and this eggshell looks angry. He's saying, I'm not very happy. Oh no, he's not very happy. He's a little angry. Let's try to match him with this chick and maybe he'll feel better. Which chick is the color purple? Do you see it? There it is. This one is the color purple. Here you go, little chick. You can take a nice little nap. Good job. Oh, and this one looks tired. Wake up! Wake up! Looks like we gotta match it with the color pink. Which chick is the color pink? Is this one the color pink? No. Is this one the color pink? No. Is this one the color pink? Yes, it is! This must be the sleepy chick. Here you go. You can take a nice little nap. Wow, this one's really still so tired. This little eggshell looks hungry. He's licking his lips. I'm hungry. That's so silly. He's sticking his tongue out. Okay, this one looks like it's the color orange. Which chick is the color orange? There it is. Yeah, the color orange. This chick is orange. Here you go, hungry little chick. Good job. Oh, let's do this one next. He looks surprised or scared. Oh, he's scared. Oh, he's surprised. He's also the color yellow. Which chick is yellow? Is it this chick or this chick? Which one's yellow? This chick is yellow. Yeah, this one is yellow. Don't be surprised. It's just us. All right, the last one is a goofy, happy face. He's so happy, and it's the color green, which means this chick must be green. Green. Look at that. We put all the eggs back together. You're welcome, chicken. Close. Okay, little chicken, it's time for you to go back to your little home. Thanks for playing.